There's something about being outside that just slows everything down. The world usually moves so fast, but out here, it's different. Watching him run ahead, the dog bounding along, I'm reminded that life's little moments, the simple ones, are often the most meaningful. This walk isn't just exercise. It's a pause, a chance to notice, appreciate, and connect. Reflection on presence and gratitude. I love seeing him explore, noticing the way he notices everything, a leaf, a branch, a bird in the distance. And the dog? Well, the dog just reminds us not to overthink, to just enjoy the moment. I think we forget sometimes that joy isn't complicated. It's in the laughter, the shared experience, the little things we might normally miss if we're rushing. Deeper emotional layer. It's amazing how fast they grow. One day he's clinging to my hand. The next, he's running ahead, finding his own way on the trail. And these hikes, they aren't just about nature. They're lessons about patience, noticing, and being fully present. It's in these small moments that connection is built. The memories, the laughter, the quiet pauses. They're the things that stay with him long after the trail is over. Reflection and slowing down and appreciation. Sometimes life moves too fast. Too many schedules, too many distractions. But here, walking together, I feel grounded. I see the joy in his face, the energy of the dog, and I realize how lucky I am to share this moment. These small, simple moments, this laughter, this peace, that's what life is really made of. Maybe the lesson is this: life isn't meant to be rushed. The little things matter. The shared walks, the laughs, the quiet pauses, the presence we offer each other. They're what last. Take a moment today to notice someone you love. Walk with them, talk with them, be fully there. These are the moments that make life rich, that build connection, and that shape the memories we carry forward.
Thank you so much for joining us. Wow, we've had a blast today. And I'm going to continue us out here and keep on doing this time lapse. I'd love to hear in the comments if that's a good idea or if it's a bad idea, or if you had better ideas of what we could do to make hiking videos a little more enjoyable to watch. Well, we appreciate you guys. Okay? We appreciate them.
Yeah.